Hello and welcome back to 3-Minute English Stories. Today, I have a fascinating story to share with you about Dena, a talented artist who has taken her art to the next level with the help of technology. Dena has always had a passion for art, and she has been honing her skills for years. But when she discovered AI drawing software, she knew that it was a game changer. This software allowed her to bring her designs to life with incredible precision and detail, giving her the freedom to create stunning works of art that were beyond what she thought was possible. However, Dena knew that managing her creative process and files was just as important as creating the art itself. That's why she turned to Notion AI, a powerful productivity tool that helps her to stay organized and focused. Notion AI provides Dena with a flexible and customizable workspace that she can use to track her progress, set reminders, and collaborate with others. It's an essential tool for any artist looking to stay on top of their game. And if she ever needs some extra guidance, Dena can turn to ChatGPT for design advice and feedback. ChatGPT is an AI language model that uses machine learning to analyze Dena's designs and provide helpful suggestions and insights. With ChatGPT, Dena can get instant feedback on everything from color schemes to composition, helping her to create even more beautiful and stylish illustrations. Thanks to these amazing tools, Dena's art has taken on a life of its own. She has become a well-known name in the art world, with fans all over the globe. But Dena is always pushing herself to try new things and take on new challenges. She knows that technology is constantly evolving, and she can't wait to see what the future holds. In fact, Dena is now using her skills to help others. She has started teaching classes on AI drawing software and Notion AI, showing other artists how to use these tools to take their art to the next level. She believes that technology can be a powerful force for good in the art world, and she's excited to share her knowledge and expertise with others. So if you're feeling inspired by Dena's story, why not try out some of these amazing tools for yourself? The key to success is to never stop learning and growing. Remember to check out other videos to improve your English skills.